Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to disassemble the upper mechanism on this RayLite superlative automatic. It doesn't even say superlative, does it? It says superative. this RayLite high quality superative automatic lighter. Yeah, that's funny. Anyway, this is a automatic lighter, like many Ronson standard type clones, and like as far as all of them that I know of in the state series and the different national parks and all those, they all seem to be Ronson clones. So we've got a blocked flint tube in there. You can see when you pull the flint spring out, if that's as far as it'll go. Then for the flint spring to go up there and curve the way it needs to, it's not making it far enough. And the other clue there is with the flint screw all the way in, which you can feel that it's not going up any further or as far as it should be. But when the mechanism spins freely with the screw in, you got a problem. So we're going to take this apart, clear the obstruction, and have it back together here hopefully in just a minute. Go ahead and start by removing the Fulcrum screw cap. If you enjoy watching repair videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media. However it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Go ahead and pull the Fulcrum screw out of there while holding pressure from the top. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. Go ahead and pull all that out of there at once if you want. That'll be Dependable Flame and DependableFlame.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. As you can see, that flint tube is obstructed, so we'll go ahead and get that cleared first. Well, maybe first I should get something. Let's see how the mechanism looks. Do I need to clean that up? It'll be well, yeah, I'm gonna clean up this file wheel a little bit, but I'm not gonna worry about dipping anything in alcohol or anything. I'm just gonna hit the file wheel with a brass brush. Make sure we're getting good spark. So we'll call that good on that. Now back to our obstruction. Let me get the drill bits here. We've got the smaller one. Let's see how hard our obstruction is. And it doesn't feel like it's particularly concreted, more so just compacted dust. But we'll see how my patience does here, whether we hit this with the... There we go. No need to put it in the drill. So if you don't put the bit in the drill, then you don't have to worry about getting careless and accidentally plunge a hole through that tube. Let's get the bigger drill bit to get that cleaned on out. There you go. So I'm going to go blow this out, and then we're going to wipe the top of it off and get it reassembled. So if you've got a toothpick with a sharp end and then another one with a rounded barrel end, and it gives you a couple of contours with which you can reach into crevices to clean. And then just a common household disinfectant wipe. And I'm just trying to get the grime out of here. Really, it's as much for aesthetics. I just don't want to look in there and see it as anything. But you never know. It could, you leave that stuff in there, that could be the beginnings of what's gumming up the works to keep you from using the lighter like you want to. So everything looks good there. If you haven't been over to eBay lately, make sure you get over there and check out the DependableFlame.com store. Every purchase that you make will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, including 3 penny start auctions each month, where 100% of the proceeds go to HDSA. Start at a penny, free shipping. High bidder pays the money, gets the lighter. Charity gets all the money. Everybody's happy. Make sure that you follow us on eBay so you get those notifications when those listings come back up or come up. And make sure also on the YouTube channel that you hit the bell so that you're notified when each new video is published. So just like on the Ronsons, the plunger, spring, and the plunger or thumb lever here, you've got the integrated clutch spring in the cap working along with the gear attached to the file wheel along with the side gears just like normal. We're going to get this timed, seated in there, and then get our fulcrum screw in place. If you don't get it the first time, just take it apart. If you don't get it the first time, then you just take everything apart and do it again. Don't force anything and you'll be alright. Just like that one off. There we go. Knocking things over here. Got our fulcrum screw. And you can see everything appears to be timed right. Snuffer coming all the way up. We will get the fulcrum screw cap on. Now our flint back in the tube, flint spring, which is now going all the way up as it should. We'll go ahead and trim this wick up. Until next time.